This is the new £1 billion stadium belonging to the 8th richest football club in the world. And this is Tottenham Hotspur's chairman, Daniel Levy, paid £7 million this year. But the club, owned by billionaire Joe Lewis, is also using the government's furlough scheme, effectively taxpayers' money, to pay their staff like caterers, cleaners and security. Meanwhile, their millionaire players, along with the rest of the Premier League, continue to be paid full wages. And some people are not happy about it.
Some of my colleagues in the NHS who've made the ultimate sacrifice of going into work and have caught the disease and have sadly died. I think the first thing that Premier League footballers can do is make a contribution, take a pay cut and play their part.
Top-flight football stands accused of operating in a moral vacuum. But Sky News understands some Premier League clubs are keen to agree to a blanket reduction of 25% of players' salaries. The proposal will be voted on during a teleconference call tomorrow. At clubs like title holders Manchester City, such a move would save tens of millions of pounds and do much to rescue their public reputation. But in the Championship, players at certain clubs, including Leeds United, have already volunteered significant wage cuts. And high-profile figures are warning against demonising footballers.
In a way, the clubs have thrown players a little bit under a PR bus, if you like. It's now up to the players how they respond. Let's give them a chance to respond before this hugely judgmental pile-on that we always get nowadays. And you know what? Footballers are always an easy target, obviously. But you know, I hate whataboutery. But where are the big businessmen? Where are the CEOs of these enormous companies? What are they doing at the moment?
In a statement, the Players' Union, the PFA, said, "We're aware of the public sentiment that the players should pay non-playing staff salaries. However, our current position is that as businesses, if clubs can afford to pay their players and staff, they should. We still don't know when football will be allowed to resume and if runaway leaders Liverpool will eventually lift the trophy. But this is an industry which remains very much in the public glare and will be judged accordingly." Martha Kellner, Sky News.